Boeing, meantime, wider than expected quarterly loss. Revenue did beat estimates. Company reaffirming free cash flow guidance for the full year. Our Phil LeBeau is at HQ in Arlington, Virginia. Morning, Phil.
Good morning, Carl. Kelly Ortberg, glad to be here at the Boeing headquarters. Give me some perspective on this quarter. Wider than expected loss, but you had better than expected free cash flow, positive free cash flow. The street was expecting negative free cash flow. I think you would sum it up as steady progress, right?
Yeah, this was a real solid quarter for us in terms of execution. We're ramping up production just as we planned. That's driving the higher revenues and also driving the improved cash flow. So I'm very pleased with the quarter.
You are moving production higher, and yet we haven't had a $10 billion free cash flow target put out there. You did affirm free cash flow of $1 to $3 billion for this year. When do we get guidance, whether it's free cash flow at $10 billion by a certain date or quarterly guidance? Are you to that point yet?
Well, Phil, we kind of suspended guidance when our uncertainty was high relative to the production rates and the certification and our defense programs. There's no question that uncertainty gap is narrowing. And so we're going to go through our planning process with the eye on providing a better long-term outlook for our investors.
Would you expect that guidance to return by the end of this year, or is that even too soon?
Haven't decided exactly when we'll do that. That's part of our process we'll go through, but I think pretty soon.
I know Jim's got a question for you. Jim, go ahead.
Yeah, Kelly, first of all, I say congratulations. I've been waiting for the cash flow to explode, and it looks like it's going to start. But one thing I'm kind of unsure, there's a whole lot of 737s. There's the 10, there's a regular 737. What's been certified so that you can get to the higher numbers? Because I think what people have to recognize, the higher those numbers go, the more cash flow, and that's the way to look at your company.
Jim, I mean, that's our story, and the big important milestone that we've just recently accomplished is certifying the two new variants of the 737 called the Dash 10 and the Dash 7. And we've completed all the flight testing on both of those. We expect the certification authorization from the FAA on the Dash 7 here shortly, and then the Dash 10 will follow that. And why that's important is those airplanes make an important part of our backlog so that we can start delivering those aircraft in 2027.
Now, at the same time, people say, well, Jim, you like the cash flow, but the earnings aren't there. But how much is Air Force One and the need to get those planes done before President Trump is no longer president?
Well, look, we're taking a charge in the quarter for the Air Force One program. We're going to invest more. The good news is that we're through the design phase of that program, and now we're modifying and testing the airplanes. It's very important to our customer that we deliver that airplane on time. We're going to put more resources on to ensure that we do that.
Kelly, you're clearly hitting the milestones that you have laid out there. You'll probably get the MAX certification here in a matter of weeks. Dash 10, the Dash 7, that is, the Dash 10 later this year. And yet, let's call up a chart of Boeing. Your stock has not done anything. Is it a little frustrating to you that investors are looking at you and saying, you're doing better? There's no doubt about that. The milestones are there, but we're just not confident yet in Boeing shares.
Look, we just got to keep executing. We got to give our investors proof points. I think we are seeing, as I mentioned, we are seeing the uncertainty in our company narrow. Better performance, better production, better cash flow, and I'm confident we'll see that result in better stock price.
We talk about the commercial side of the business so often, but the defense side, 13% year-over-year revenue improvement. You've got a new facility that's going to be coming online in St. Louis. Yep. You're increasing production, working with the Trump administration as they say you need to increase production there. Have you turned the corner in terms of, look, for a long time it was every quarter there was a charge, and the tanker was the crazy uncle under the stairs, and everybody said, when's Boeing's defense business going to come together? Do you feel like you've turned the corner?
Yeah, I think we've stabilized that business for sure. I mean, the fixed price programs are never done until they're done, but we've certainly gotten out of the mode of quarterly charges on those programs. We still have to get them complete, but we've accomplished some pretty big milestones here. Full rate production on the T-7 trainer plane, full rate production or low rate initial production authorization on the MQ-25 as well. So we're making good progress on these programs.
777X, when do you expect the certification on that?
We're working towards certification here the balance of this year so that we can make deliveries in 2027. No change in our plans there. The airplanes are flying, ticking off the certification program as we speak.
We were just over at Farnborough. We talked to you over there. You didn't have the 777X there because you're going through the final flights as you get working towards certification there. What are you hearing back from the international carriers in terms of the demand for that type of a wide-body aircraft?
Super strong demand. What we're hearing is we need the airplane. We need to get it certified, and we've got a nice backlog of that aircraft. I'm absolutely convinced that once we get through the certification, get these airplanes into the marketplace, we'll see that backlog even increase.
And yet that backlog does not yet include an official order from China. I don't know how many weeks ago you were in Beijing with the president. They said there's a commitment from China for 200 aircraft, and yet it hasn't been finalized. When do you expect that to happen?
Well, in the coming months, we go through a process with them where they allocate the total quantity to individual airlines, and then we negotiate contracts with the individual airlines, and we're in that process right now.
Any concern that it may not be finalized?
No, I think everything I see continues to say that we'll have some contracts here shortly.
And free cash flow for this year is still $1 to $3 billion.
Yeah, and I would say that we're off to a good start, so I feel really good about that range.
Kelly Ortberg, CEO of Boeing, good to talk with you this morning. Guys, we will send it back to you.